Hey besties, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and welcome if you are new. The number one question I get asked on my videos is without a doubt always, what is on your lips? So I thought I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna do a full video today showing you what typically in my videos I wear on my lips and the most complimented lip products that I do own that you guys ask about. The most frequent question I get is what is on your lips when I'm wearing Pillow Talk. I can't find my Pillow Talk. I'm pretty sure it's in my car and I'm super lazy, but just know that is typically what you guys like to see on my lips. That is the one I get the most questions on. It's like this one, but just not as deep. This one is Pillow Talk 2. And it's very, very beautiful. It's a matte lipstick and it's very comfortable. Oh, let's start with what's on my lips today because I already got a question on TikTok. So I don't think we'll touch on lip liners and too many lip glosses in this video. More so, we're going to focus on lipsticks. Starting with the lipstick I'm wearing right now, which is actually a lip balm from Kylie Cosmetics. This is one of the new tinted butter balms in the shade. You guys know my vision is so bad. Give me 1 second. This one is in the shade Kylie, and it's a little rubbed off, so I'm just gonna reapply so you can see the true shade. And if you are curious about the lip liner with this combination, I am wearing the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lip liner in the shade Natasha. And this is really, really gorgeous. I love how light it is on the lips, the shine it provides, and how pigmented this product is. Like, look how stunning that is. I will also link everything down below, but she has so many different colors. Did I mention we're gonna apply them all? And the funny thing is, of course, these are my favorites, like my current favorites, because a lot of them look very, very similar, and you are gonna see that and it's gonna be kind of funny. Next up is Pat McGrath Labs Christie. This is the packaging, absolutely gorgeous. I love the little gold lips. It looks very luxe to me. And this is also a matte. Look how beautiful this color is. It's so nice. If it would focus. Powdery soft. I'm not going to focus too much on making like the most precise lip swatches, but stunning. I do feel like this one is a little bit different than the last. I don't want to take it off. You guys, that's the hard part. I don't want to take these gorgeous shades off. Oh gosh. Made a dang mess because I have no makeup wipes. Like I said, these all have similar looks. This one is Peony from Milani. These are the Color Fetish lipsticks. So beautiful, such great quality, and so affordable. This one has more of like a creamy feel than the last. The last one you can really feel like that powdery matte texture. Wait a minute, does that look like the last one? Hold on. This is Peony, which is one of my favorite florals. And this is Christie. Here is Christie, and here is Peony. So those are pretty close. I looked at my lips and I was like, wow, that looks very, very similar. We might just have a little doopy doop, but there is like a little difference in the undertone, right? I mean, that is kind of close. Wait, I should keep the swatches of every single one as I go so we can really look at the differences. I mean, at least I have a type. Next up is the Makeup by Mario Cozy Lip Cream in the shade Pinky Brown. This one is definitely different than the others, but I will just be honest and say I do have so many shades of the Cozy Lip Creams. I'm sure I have something similar to the other swatches. But this is the one I've been wearing the most recently. And I absolutely adore these because it blurs your lip lines in such a beautiful way. And the color, again, like I said, is different, and I love it. I love it so much. I actually have a full video up on my channel of me doing swatches of all the different colors, if you're curious. Can't forget my little swatchy swatch. Sometimes I go outside my comfort zone. Next up is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow in the shade Rose Glow, one of my favorites. And this just truly melts onto your lips in the most beautiful way possible. They can be messy, so just make sure when you do push the product up, you only get up as much as you want because you can't put it back down once you're done. That's an important thing to note. See how it's getting all messy on the sides? But look at that shine. It also has a little bit of like a tingly feel, a little bit of a minty feel, which I do really enjoy, especially when it just feels good and it doesn't go into the territory of feeling kind of painful. Really beautiful. There she is, and I also have a video doing a swatch party of these as well. Ding dong! That whipped it out. This is the NARS lip balm in the shade, and I really enjoy these. I think I have like 3 or 4, or maybe like 4 or 5, because they're so pretty. But they are very sheer, perfect for natural makeup days when you just want a little sheer wash and some really pretty shine. Yeah, it's pretty, but really sheer. They do have darker colors. Onto lip gloss. This is the Tower 28 Lip Jelly in the shade Pistachio, and I wear this so often. Look at how much I've used this lip product. Let me let it focus. I'm literally having to scrape to get product. It's so good, and these are another product that just feels so amazing and like cushiony on the lips. So plushy. And that has a nice amount of pigment, especially for how it feels. Again, if you want more of like an opaque look, definitely go in with a lip liner, but I mean, I think this looks so good. And as you guys can see, it's one of my probably top 5 lip products I use on a day-to-day basis. Absolutely stunning. The color is just so pretty. Unreal. I love it. Let me show you. That's Pistachio. I did buy like the mauve one, but I have not even really used it because I just cannot get enough of this shade right here. I think it's just too flattering. It's too beautiful. Then the Fenty Cream Gloss in the shade Cupcakein. I'm not sure if this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm is still available. I have a feeling it is, but this is one of the most beautiful pinks as well. Oh, let me wipe this off. Look at Cupcakein. Definitely darker than the last, some more opaque. Like, look how good. Here is a really affordable option. This one is the Essence Extreme Shine in the shade Pink Panther. And this reminds me of some of the others, but it's so affordable in comparison, and it feels very, very smooth and soft on the lips. This, if you don't have this, you seriously are missing out. It's so good. Very, very, very smooth. With a lip line, I think this one would also be perfect. What do you think? I was gonna say these two are similar, but they're definitely different, especially in person. But honestly, on the lips, it can all look so similar, so I don't get too nitpicky. I also wear Summer Fridays Vanilla Beige Lip Butter Balm pretty often. I really like this one. I think it smells so delicious and it feels amazing on the lips too. And this is another thing I just like to throw on for like everyday wear. Usually with like a brown lip liner. Even on no makeup days, I'll put this on just to add a little something, and I think it does just enough. It is so pretty. This is so funny. Let me know if you want a part 2 too, because I have so many lip products. I could definitely do probably like 3 different videos just like this, but I don't want to make it too overwhelming. So let's do just a few more. This is newer to my collection, but I've been absolutely adoring it. It's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the shade Champ Stamp Fantasy, and it's so gorgeous. Like this, when I saw it in store, I had to have it. I was actually on the VIB sale, or sorry, at the VIB sale, and I had put everything in my car. I was already done spending money, a little bit like stressed out because I was like, dang, I hope I didn't do too much. And then I saw it and I just had to get it. It was too pretty to pass up. I don't even know if you could see on camera how gorgeous this is in real life, but it is just so perfect. The shimmers in it are just so stunning. Let me go ahead and show you with some flash, especially like with the lip liner, maybe like a nude lip underneath. I think it'd be so beautiful. Let's end it off with the Patrick Ta Full Syringe lip gloss. This is so gorgeous. It does have a little bit of a tingle to it, and it smells like red hot gum to me anyway. This is so beautiful, and it's probably my favorite fall lip gloss. Everything about it I love so much. This and another Fenty Beauty gloss balm that's unfortunately limited edition, that's like red with like gold reflex. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it is fabulous. That one definitely has more of like a wow factor, but this with a brown lip liner for every day in the fall time is just so perfect, and I'm pretty sure this is plumping. Like I said, with that brown lip liner, I think the combo is just so elite. These are my little swatches, so I'm not as embarrassed at myself as I thought. I mean, obviously there's a lot of pink, but I see there's a lot of different variations of pink. It is what it is. I have so many lip products and I like what I like, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want something similar to it in the future, let me know down below. I will see you all in the next one. I love you so much. Bye, besties.